series panel. Okay, it comes with an Android 14 and 8 GB and 128 GB. Okay, and this is a 765 and 75 and 86. There is in a 3 sizes it will be available: 65, 75 and 86. Okay, this comes with a 48 megapixel AI auto tracking camera and 8 array mics it will be there, and 20 watt speaker it will be there, and it will be a magnetic pen. We can able to keep it here. Okay, and it comes with an NFC it will be there. Okay, and this NFC it will be there, and if you require any of a particular single login or anything, you can able to create in a NFC. Okay, and there is comes with an three HDMI ports, and in and out both it will be there. The out port it will be 1 and 3 HDMI in port it will be there, and Type C it will be there. Type C and in and out both it will be there, and 4 USB ports it will be there. The front and back, the 4 USB port it will be there, and the aux cable it will be there. If you need to connect in any external speaker or anything, you can able to connect in an external speaker. And once if you switch on, you can able to see the Android platform, and you can able to utilize for the OPS also. In case if you required any OPS, that's additional it will be there. So OPS is open pluggable system. Okay, if you required any additional of any other software, then it's OPS it may require. Otherwise, the most of the options you can able to utilize in a Android itself. Okay, now once if you switch on this thing, you can able to see some settings options it will be there, and then like as it is in your mobile it will be there. See the back button and home button and the source button. Okay, which are the source means which I told you, the HDMI in and out, right? The same here. The source button it will be there. The Android and VGA, now we are in Android and VGA and OPS and HDMI 1 and Type C and HDMI 1. DP port also it will be available. Okay, in case if you need to connect any additional from the video or any video controller or anything, then you may require the DP port. Okay, and you can able to see here the start button. In this start button you can able to see some utilities of these things. Okay, utilities means if you need to record if you shoot means if you need to record the screen means you can able to record, because in this mic it has been there, the inbuilt mic it has been in the W series. You can able to connect the shoot means if you are recording these things, it will ask for your system audio and mic and systems and mute. Okay, if you start recording, it will be with voice recording it will be done. Okay, and there will be option called as a stopwatch it will be there, the touch lock it will be there, and the background option it will be there. And there is one more option called as the eye protection. In this eye protection, if you are using the panel for 6 hours or in a day, okay, you will not be getting a eye stress. Okay, because the eye protection it will be there. Okay, and there is a much more option called as screen capturing. In case if you need to capture any details or anything, you can able to capture. Okay, and you can able to increase your volume and decrease your volume. And there is called as auto brightness. See, in auto brightness, based on your lights and everything based on your room brightness, it will be auto brightness it will be there. And you can able to see this auto brightness. If you switch off this auto brightness, and you can able to increase your brightness. Okay, you can able to see the multi-window application. In this multi-window application, if you need to make a 2 windows or 4 windows, you can able to make a multi-windows also. Okay, if you need to select these things, okay, you can able to keep it from there. Okay, again you need to open the multi-window. Okay, again you can able to open the whiteboard. Okay, the 2 windows it can be displayed, the 2 windows you can able to display the 2 windows. Okay, still more if you require the 2 windows, you can able to make it the another 2 windows. Totally 4 multi-windows it will be available. And there is called as an okay, and there is called as a next option called as a settings option. In this settings options, you can able to see the network device management. See now the network with a Wi-Fi connector. See in this Wi-Fi connector, this is 6C connections it will be available in this panel, because in